Another one of this morning. I need to wake up. And myself, I like to drink tea, which is very nice and healthy, but it doesn't give you that little boost like coffee does. And I am not a big fan of coffee. The only coffee I actually like is a strong espresso. Yeah, you know, these tiny espresso shots, like you're in Italy, France, you go to a cafe. Well, I don't have a coffee machine here. I don't have an espresso machine. So I was delighted when I got offered to try one. And no, it's not a cup, you know, like the Nespresso machine. Not at all. It's the real deal. The one you would get in a cafe in Europe. You know, when you do like this, you pour your coffee and you let it brew and you got the little milk thing on the side. We're gonna try it today. Set it up and see whether I can do it as good as in a cafe in Paris. Let's see. This is the espresso machine right there. It can make 2 espresso shots at a time with 20 bar pressure. Look at it. Looks pretty neat with the little milk warmer on the side. Let's see what's really inside here. Let me open it up with you. Of course, you've got the manual right there. So the model is an EM3209. Yes. It comes with a coffee guide. Wow. I guess I'm not that literate in coffee. I didn't know you could have all this coffee. Now you got all the explanation on how to make any one of those. Americano, macchiato, romano, mocha, Vienna coffee, Irish coffee, just to name a few. My gosh. I think I'm just gonna go for the very simple espresso here at the top. I don't like ristretto because it's just too concentrated. I like the espresso, but good to have. It's a very interesting vocabulary guide for espressos here. All right, this looks heavy. Let me lower it and take it from the box here. Not that easy. Very well packaged. So that's the back where you have the water. That is the front of the espresso machine. Right there. Look at it. Looks pretty nice and fancy. So from what I see, not everything is stainless steel. I don't think it is stainless steel at all. Okay, let's set it up here. It comes with a few parts. So of course, the thing to make the espresso, you know, that blows all the pressure in it. Yes, so I have one here. So reading the instruction here, it actually comes with the single or double cup, whichever coffee you want to have. If you want to have a longer one, myself, I'm gonna go for the single cup right there. That actually part here looks like it is stainless steel. It looks pretty sturdy, which you want to have, given that's the piece that's receiving the pressure. All right, I have to align it in order to get it in. So which piece am I aligning? I think it's here. No, it's not. Yes, that's it, aligned. So that is my single cup. And this is the measuring cup right there. And that's pretty much all you need with the coffee machine. So I'm gonna remove the water part in the back, rinse it, wash it thoroughly with just mild soap here in the sink, then fill it up. We should be ready to set it up here with the electronics and try it out with the coffee. So to try it, even I'm not a big coffee drinker in the house, I went to buy some Brazil coffee, right then, Amazon Forest, medium roast. I was looking for some Italian Illy espresso shots kind of thing, but I didn't find it in my local grocery store, so I will have to keep looking for my Italian brand. For now, instead of Italy, I'm going for Brazil. All right, this is the water container, washed, filled it up with some filtered water. I'm not too sure whether the machine filters it. I need to continue reading the manual, but I just want to try it so bad. So it does have a minimum line, maximum line. I just filled it up above the minimum. I just want to make one espresso today to try. So let me put this back and plug it in. All right, following the instructions right here at the top, we're first gonna have to clean the machine. We're gonna let the steam run here. So we press the button here. We need to heat it up first. All right, it stopped blinking, so I'm gonna try to run this one for 5-10 seconds, turning the button here to the max. Even this takes a few seconds to warm up, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link for this espresso machine in the description below. Here you go. You see the steam, the water flowing? 5-10 seconds, and that is it. So I'm turning the knob here back where it was. My measuring cup here. So single espresso. I don't want double here, I just want it single. Okay.
There we go.
There we go. My little espresso cup that's way too big, but that will do. And I'm gonna do single right here, but you could do double. You've got 2 entries. Do we do double?
Single.
Single. All right. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Nice. Wow. Wow. Wow, it looks delicious.
I want to drink it.
That's it. Look at this. I need to probably get a smaller cup here, an actual espresso cup, but look at this here. It looks perfect. Now is the trial. Is it as good as what you can get in an actual coffee shop? Wow. It is very intense. It is a real espresso. Wow, very nice. So let me know in the comments below, how do you like your coffee? Do you drink it black, milk, sugar? Do you like espressos, long American coffees? Or like me, are you a tea drinker? Let me know. If you are interested, I will put the link in the description below. You can try it out, get a little discount, follow the link, affiliate link here. And I think I'm gonna be part now of this 2/3 of Americans who like to drink coffee in the morning. Tea or coffee? That is the question now. Actually, I should say tea or espresso. Well, maybe both. I will start with a little tea, and maybe when I need a kick, get my little espresso shot. Happy drinking, friends. Have a nice day. Area we will try for now, but now let me clean it. So to clean it, I need to unlock that thing. It's pretty strong, huh? And that is it. See, you've got your coffee like the real thing, and you just pour it in the sink, and you're ready to go for the next one, like in a real coffee in Paris. Very easy cleanup as well here for this espresso machine. You just remove this one, then you remove this piece. As you can see here, made a coffee, it dropped, so you just wash it in the sink. and put it back. And that is pretty much it. You can put some things here, but it does get a bit warm, so I am not too sure what I would trust to put on top here. But it's definitely an option. But yeah, very neat little machine. Looks very professional. As I said, this is not stainless steel. This here looks like it is, so that's the most important part that handles the pressure. The brand is Shardor. It is manufactured in China, so we will see how long it lasts.